Hello beauties, this is Dipali Sajnani and welcome back to my channel Self Care is Essential. So today we will be reviewing this product from Wow Skin Science, which is Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash, and this is how the product looks like. I hope you all have seen this. So before moving ahead with this product, we should actually understand that why vitamin C is required by our skin, why it is equally important for our skin. Yes? So in these days, we all are facing problems, one or the other, such as scars, pigmentation, dullness, wrinkles, tiredness, or on the top of it, the aging factors, isn't it? So to fight against all such concerns, that is when the vitamin C comes in the picture. Yes? Now you all must be wondering that why I chose Wow Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. Reason, because it, first of all, it's an Indian brand. That is what actually made me feel like in purchasing this product. Apart from that, it is completely free from parabens, sulfates, silicons and color. So basically it has nothing out of these products, and it is all made up of natural actives, right? Of course, it gives you extra 50%. So that is again one reason that I opted this product and wanted to check that how it works on my skin. Alright, so moving ahead with this product, it says that it actually works on all the skin types. And yes, it actually worked on all the skin types. So my skin as a combination skin, which is like T-zone, my T-zone is always oily. My mouth area is always dry and I have normal cheeks, so I have a combination skin. But I tried this product on some other members in my family. One has an oily skin, the other has a sensitive skin, so they also like this product. So before giving my honest review to the people around, I actually wanted to try it on other people also. Yeah, further on this product, so it actually provides you the purified water, the glycerin in this, and of course the aloe vera extract, which actually works really well during the summers, right? Apart from this, it has essential oil in the form of lemon and orange. So once you open this product, you will actually feel a mild fragrance, and that is basically a citric fragrance which comes up, and that is what again a special part for this product, that it helps brighten the skin tone. It helps fade age spots, that's what we discussed for, and it actually works on as an anti-aging factor. It reduces fine lines, it helps smoothen complexion, and it actually works equally on anti-aging factors. Yes. So now just quickly jump inside the product and see how it goes. So once you open this product, you will find a bottle like this. I'll show you the bottle. This is how it looks, right? Now opting for a foaming face wash rather than going on the normal face wash. Reason, because it actually offers you a silicone brush on the top of it. So if you just pull this out, you will actually feel a pump. This is where you have to press. It's a pump here, if you could just see very clearly. And it is very, very smooth. If I'll show you the texture here, it's very, very smooth. It is not harsh on your skin, not at all. It works really well. It actually reaches the areas, for example, your nose area, your eyes area. It will not harm your eyes, it will not harm your nose, it will not harm your mouth, of course. It works really well there, and it reaches the areas basically where your fingers cannot actually reach properly. So that is the reason I opted for this silicone brush and not the normal face wash. Okay, so moving ahead with this thing, it actually offers you a scanning code here. If you could just see, though it is available on the main box as well, I'll show you the other one also. So it is again, so there are two scanning codes, of course a similar one, where you can find the detailed knowledge, or you can see the detailed product information. If you scan this code, you will get everything. So about their safety, about their authenticity, you will find everything on just scanning this code. Of the price, so this is for $399 with a validity for 2 years. And when we talk about the price, the $399 price, you actually find really good discounts on its own official website, and that is where we actually find our combos, and of course the other discounts which they run especially on Sundays, which is on the weekends. And you may also get some offers wherein you actually find it on Amazon, on Nykaa, on Flipkart, Snapdeal, Big Basket, Purple. So this product is basically available on all the leading e-stores. So easily available. And one of the important factor which I would like to make a note on it, that they offers you a refill bottle, which is again mentioned on the box. So you may order the refill bottle and fill your face wash bottle, so you don't need to order the another product once you utilize the same. And on the top of it, I'm sure that you must be waiting for my overall performance on the product, so I would definitely want to give 5 on 5 for this product. And I definitely want you guys to please switch your preferences, few of your preferences at least, on Indian products, because guys, being an Indian, we are not lacking anywhere. We do have natural actives, we do have lot more products coming in the picture now, coming in the brands now, and I think we should take a chance and use this product at least once. Yes. Alright, so I will definitely want to give 5 on 5 on this product, and so that's all for the product from my side. If you have any questions, any recommendations, any suggestions, or if you want me to review any of the other product in detail, please write in the comment box below. I'll be coming up with my next product as mentioned by you guys. Thank you for watching this. If you have still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, hit the notification button, so whenever I'll come next, you guys will be notified soon. Thank you. Love you all. Bye. Take care.